What if you don't like being in groups? I get it. You're an empath and/or highly sensitive, and working in groups just isn't your thing. You feel drained or don't want to be seen and prefer more specific attention than you might get in a group environment. However, working in groups can produce outcomes that you couldn't achieve on your own. I've learned that when you're being held in a safe space, your intuition ramps up, your ability to receive improves, and you achieve better and faster outcomes than if you worked on your own. I don't know about you, but I have a tough little thing called the ego. It loves to convince me that I don't need to take courses or workshops because I've been in the healing arts for almost 3 decades and should be able to heal myself. The key word there, obviously, is should. There is a stark contrast between reality and shoulds. I invite you to listen to your ego, but don't believe everything it says, especially when making major decisions. Practice observing, but not responding to the ego's demands, as well as connecting with your intuitive voice and language of the heart. When we live from the heart, the dread of being in a group fades.